Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been asked to do a introduction to locksport video. So I am going to do a locksport in 4 easy steps. Step 1, get some things. Step 2, put the things in the thing. Step 3, do the thing. Until step 4 happens. The thing, doing the thing. So yeah, that's basically locksport in 4 easy steps, and I hope this explanation helps. And if you have any more questions, just, feel free to ask anybody else, because I've already told you all my secrets.